Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to use Compass on your Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. Let's get started. First thing is, not all of the watches has pre-downloaded the Compass, so if you wouldn't be able to find it, you would need to download it from Apple Store. Now let's move on to the Compass. First thing, we need to click on this digital crown and find our Compass application, which looks like this white circle with a little red arrow. If we will click on it, we are in the Compass. So the first thing that we can see right here is the compass. It shows us in which direction we are looking. For example, now I'm looking on the north direction with 347 degrees. If we will start rotating our watch, the compass will also change, showing your actual direction. Now the next thing that we can see right here is the height in which we are. For example, this is especially useful when you are in the mountains. Now, if we will click on this eye icon on the left corner, we will be able to see this information, for example, incline, elevation, and also the same direction and degrees. And one more interesting feature that you can find right here is tracking your road, which is located on the right corner right here. If we will click on it, you can start backtrack, which records your route from the starting point, and if you are lost, you will be able, with the directions of this application, go back to your starting point. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.